Hello, boys and girls. It's me, Miss Mark. I hope you're doing well. I wonder, can you figure out what's behind me on my board? Fantastic! It's the alphabet. And what do we do with the alphabet? The alphabet is something that we count with. No. Okay, those are what? Those are numbers. Okay, so what is the alphabet made out of? Letters! Good job! And what do letters do? They make a sound. Fantastic! And every time we go through our alphabet, we make the sound. Because every letter has a special sound to it. So, whenever we do the alphabet, we generally introduce a new animal. So we're going to learn about a new animal and a new letter that's in the alphabet. But before we do that, we have to remember what we did last time and what letter we finished on the last time we learned about the alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go. We are going to have to sing our animal alphabet and remember what animal was the last animal we did. Can you remember what was the last animal we did? Turtle! Great job! So let's sing the animal alphabet and sound out all the different letters, and then we'll have to figure out what comes after turtle on this alphabet. Here we go. Alligator. Bear. Bear. Cat. Duck. Elephant. Fish. Gorilla. Horse. Iguana. Jellyfish. Kangaroo. Ladybug. Mouse. Night owl. Remember to push your tongue to the top of your roof to pronounce that Great job. Then we have octopus. Penguin. Quail. Rabbit. Seal. And here is the last one we did. Turtle. So what do you think comes after t? Well, the only way we can find out is if we say our alphabet. Let's go. Are you ready? A. B. K. D. E. G. J. K. L. M. N. A. Qu. R. S. T. What's that one that comes after t? Fantastic! It's Oh, did you just say the sound Now we are familiar with that sound. Where have we done it before? I know. We know it from the yellow shape. We learned about things that begin with yellow shape already. Oh, wow. So we have finally reached another vowel in our animal alphabet. Can you remember anything that begins with yellow shape? Umbrella. Umbrella. Okay, good job. What else begins with yellow shape? umpire. Oh, very good. Now, do you remember what an umpire is? Yes, an umpire is who keeps track and manages a game, a baseball game, a cricket game, and they're very important. They keep the rules and instill the rules in a game. Make sure nobody's cheating. Good job. So, umpire. What else begins with a? Yellow shape. Well, I have a funny one. What about an umbrella bird? Have you ever heard of an umbrella bird? No? Well, umbrella birds are these funky looking birds that have an umbrella on the top of their head. Now, it's not a real umbrella like how you and I would open an umbrella, but it's an umbrella that's made out of their feathers. Have you ever seen one before? I have never seen one in person, but I've watched loads and loads of things about umbrella birds. Do you know that umbrella birds are very similar to normal birds? They just have that feather on top. What do you think birds like to eat generally? Nuts, fruits, fantastic, seeds, all of those things. And that's exactly what the umbrella bird likes to eat. The umbrella bird eats seeds and fruit. Yeah, so it's just like a normal bird, but it has an umbrella. I think that is so cool. Now, what do you think would happen when it starts to rain? Yes, the umbrella bird just fans out his feathers and he stays nice and dry. That is so cool. So here's a cute little song about an umbrella bird. It tells you some things that it does. And I want you to enjoy it because I love this song, Umbrella Bird. You'll see it, it's catchy. And then after you finish your song, you're going to come back to me and we're going to have a little chat about it. Okay? Pause me here and watch this song. Great job, everybody. Did you enjoy that song? Umbrella Bird. Umbrella Bird. I love it. I love it all the time. Now, did you notice this that he had here? Yes, what color was it? Red, fantastic. So we have our umbrella bird and he has a little red goblet right there too. So what you're going to do is you are going to color your bird and his goblet in red. Great job. And what color was the rest of the bird? Black. Very good. But if you want to give his tummy a little more color, you can give his tummy a little more color. I have seen umbrella birds with different colors. And once you finish that, you are going to color this. Are we going to do it in black? No, because it's not just any letter of the alphabet, is it? No, it's not. It's a vowel. We know what color this vowel should be. What color should it be? Yellow! Good job! Because this is the yellow shape. So when you do your coloring, color this in yellow and you're going to pinch, pinch and rip yellow construction paper onto your yellow shape. Okay? Now, okay, so we're going to sing our animal alphabet one last time and finishing it off at umbrella bird. And then you're going to get to listen to a little story on the umbrella bird. Yep, I've even found a story on the umbrella bird. So we're going to do that and then you'll be done with the lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's go through this one more time. Alligator. Bear. Cat. Duck. Elephant. Fish. Gorilla. horse. Iguana. Jellyfish. Kangaroo. Lion. Mouse. Night owl. Octopus. Penguin. Quail. Rabbit. Seal. Turtle. And the last one, umbrella, bird. Enjoy the story, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you soon. Bye.